Are you looking for the top 5 best camera for YouTube in 2022? In this video, we will look at some of the best camera for YouTubers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Starting at number 5. Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III. A do-it-all compact camera that can live stream 4K video to YouTube. A step above a jack of all trades, the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III performs well in a range of areas, so that's why we have it picked as the best camera for YouTube overall. Feature-rich, small and lightweight, with a great interface and well laid out buttons, it's also a bit of a bargain. Although it can shoot 20MP stills and has a good autofocus system, it can crucially shoot 4K UHD video at 30fps for excellent detail. Drop that down to HD quality footage and the camera allows 120fps shooting for slow motion footage. Bear in mind that there's a 10-minute time limit on video recording when set to the highest quality setting. That's not too limiting for YouTubers though, as it can live stream straight from the camera. Perfect for broadcasting straight into YouTube Live. Top quality audio is also within reach thanks to the 3.5mm microphone input, allowing use of external microphones. All in all, it's probably the best camera for YouTube that serves beginner and intermediate users who want a solid, reliable device to film on. At number 4. Panasonic Lumix GH5S. The best camera for YouTube at the higher end. Though now nearly 4 years old, the Panasonic Lumix GH5S still offers some of the best video specs going in its price range. It has a smart multi-aspect sensor, which means users can switch aspect ratios in camera. This saves so much time editing footage when it comes to delivering content to social media, as each platform deals with its own aspect ratio. It even includes a wider Cinema 4K 17:9 format, something which many other cameras don't have, but it looks impressive. Dual native ISO is a sophisticated technology that offers cleaner video with less image noise. This comes in handy when shooting in low lighting conditions, something that the GH5S is well known for. The GH5S is comfortable to use thanks to its DSLR-inspired styling with a deep grip and texture rubber coating, a good choice for outdoor, on-location use. Additional features include 10-bit 4K footage and 10x slow motion in Full HD, make this a seriously capable tool for producing sublime content for YouTube or for any other platform for that matter. At number 3. Sony A6000. The best camera for YouTubers on a tighter budget. Although this line of Sony cameras has grown massively as of late, the original Sony A6000 still proves to be one of the most popular models. Newer YouTubers that are yet to bring enough revenue to pay for fancy kit will rejoice at the lower cost of this camera. But it should be noted that there's a limit of Full HD quality video, number 4K, unfortunately, so bear that in mind if it's a deal breaker. Otherwise, the camera has rock-solid foundations in the shape of a large 24MP APS-C sensor and a capable image processor with a 179-point autofocus system. Choose to pair the camera with one of Sony's E-mount lenses for enhanced shooting flexibility and great image quality. This camera serves as a reminder that you don't always need the newest, flashiest device to produce quality video for YouTube. Sometimes there's better value in older models. At number 2. Sony ZV-1. A specialist vlogging camera with useful features for beginners. Sony's compact and mirrorless cameras in the past tended to be primarily still shooters, with video added on as an extra, but the Sony ZV-1 has turned things on its head. The ZV-1 has been built for vloggers specifically, and as such it comes with a slew of helpful video features straight out of the box. One useful feature for YouTube video production is an onboard directional microphone, which eliminates the need to purchase an additional mic for most users, especially if recording indoors. Since the ZV-1 is one of Sony's newer compact cameras, you can expect some upgraded hardware. Best-in-class autofocusing makes this a useful camera to have if you're out and about. It's also accessible for new users with an integrated automated shooting mode to take the pressure off the technical aspects of capturing video. At number 1. GoPro Hero 10 Black. The best camera for YouTube adventurers. Throw it in a lake, drop it off a mountain, or bounce it along on a mountain bike. If you need extreme durability, then GoPro is the brand for you. If you plan on capturing sports for your YouTube channel, no matter how extreme, then the small and robust GoPro Hero 10 Black is for you. Live streaming is becoming ever popular on the world's biggest video site, and the Hero 10 Black can do that, too. This new version is updated to compete with rivals like the DJI Osmo Action by including a useful front screen to make selfie vlogging easier, and it has class-leading hyper-smooth 4.0 image stabilization which can capture smooth, steady footage when being thrown around in extreme conditions. The Hero 10 Black now captures even more detail thanks to the 5.3K video resolution, 91% more than 4K, which it records at an incredible 60 FPS. There's also a new video feature of 4K at 120 FPS for those who like to capture footage for slow motion. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.